Guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely eye-catchy and unique design patterns in itself because all of these embroidery designs are pretty stylish designer patterns, and at the same time they are very easy to make, unique and creative for the hand embroidery beginners, hand embroidery artists, and the persons who love the art of hand embroidery. So friends, I hope that you are liking my today's ideas, and our concern and the main purpose for making our today's video is to share creative and stylish amazing design ideas that are creatively unique and beneficial in many ways for girls, petite women's, teenagers, office going, vacation persons, and many more as per the situation, interest and choices of girls and women. So friends, all of the design ideas are totally made by using very beautiful color combinations, exquisite patterns, stylish and trendy ideas, by keeping in mind the latest and recent trends of fashion designing for women. I hope that you like the ideas, and if you really like them, do try them. And you can pair these shirts for your office or school going outfits, university going outfits, for your normal vacation or wanderlust. You can pair up these with your denim, skin fit, jeans, your loose trousers, plazos, along with your tights, and many more creative style ideas as per your choices. So I hope that you have really liked my today's ideas, my design patterns and my suggestions. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my upcoming videos. After then, please do take care of yourselves.